In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a talk track in Miro. If you're not familiar with Miro, it's an online collaborative whiteboard where teams can bring their ideas together. Recording a talk track is a fantastic way to add voiceovers to your boards, making them more engaging and informative for your audience. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to your Miro board. If you don't have a board open yet, sign into your Miro account and open the specific board where you wish to record your talk track. This board will be your canvas for the talk track, so make sure it's set up the way you want it presented. Now, once your board is open, direct your attention to the top right side of your Miro interface. Here, you should notice a series of icons that control various board functions. Among these, there's a familiar record icon. Clicking on this icon will trigger the TalkTrack recording feature we're eager to use. After clicking the record icon, a menu will pop up with some options related to recording. You'll need to click on Record TalkTrack from this menu. By doing this, you're telling Miro you want to create a voice recording, aligning it with your board content. The next step involves giving Miro the necessary permissions to access your camera and microphone. This is vital because without these permissions, Miro won't be able to capture your voice nor integrate any video components if you choose to include them. Typically, a pop-up will appear asking for your permission. Simply click Allow, and this grants Miro access to start recording. Once you've allowed access, it's time to start your recording. On the screen, find and click the Start Recording button. It's here that you can begin narrating your talk track. Aim to speak clearly and highlight the key points and sections of your Miro board that you want your audience to focus on. This is your opportunity to make the content come to life, so feel free to be expressive and informative as you guide your listeners. Once your talk track is complete, you can stop the recording within the same interface. Miro will then process your recording, enabling it for playback on your board. You can now review your recording, ensuring it aligns well with your board content and delivers your intended message effectively. And that's it. You've successfully recorded a talk track in Miro. By following these steps, you've enhanced your Miro board with your own unique insights and voice, bringing your presentation to a whole new level. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you create amazing experiences with your Miro talk tracks.